Hello, everyone. Over these past few weeks, our associates from across the country have shown us the true meaning of the word hero. I've received countless letters from customers thanking you for your amazing dedication. You have been nothing short of extraordinary. Recently we announced an appreciation bonus. It is really our first thank you for everything you've done in the face of this unprecedented crisis. To further acknowledge your hard work and the work to come, we are offering a hero bonus to hourly frontline associates. This bonus will be for every hour you work between March 29th and April 18th. This will be paid on a weekly basis and will equate to a $2 an hour premium above your standard hourly wage. No one knew what this crisis would be like or how quickly we would need to adapt to really what has become our new normal. Yet day after day, you continue to do everything you can to ensure our customers have the products they need while doing your best to keep our customers and each other safe. We will continue to work tirelessly to support you and your families during this difficult time. We care about your physical, your financial, and importantly, your emotional well-being as we continue to improve our safety measures and benefits to support you. There is something incredible about the Kroger family of companies. We are there for each other. We care so deeply about our customers, our communities, and each other. And we all feel this now more than ever. I am so incredibly proud of each and every one of you. I hope you know the tremendous impact you're making every day. I know I speak for everyone when I say thank you for being a hero. Together, we are the best.